reception class, and welcome to our last maths lesson of the week and our last ever maths lesson from home. Right, for today's lesson you will need a pencil and sheets that you can see on the screen now. So if you just want to pause me and get those things ready if you haven't already, please. Right, let's start by warming up our brain for maths and going through our numbers from 10 up to 20. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Right, next up reception class, we are going to do some speed counting. I am going to flash up a number of objects on the screen and you need to count them as fast as you can and write down how many there are. Right, your first one is coming up now. You need to count them as fast as you can and you can pause me if you want while you do that. And then write down your answer. How many stars are there? Right, let's count them together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stars. And the number 10 looks like this. Whoop, there you go. Right, next up, you need to count the stars again. Off you go now. Count them as fast as you can and write down your answer. You can pause me while you do that. Right, let's count them together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you write the number 12 like this. Well done, if you got that, there are 12 stars. Next up, I want you to count how many ducks there are. Ready, go. How many ducks are there on the screen? Count them and write down your answer. You can pause me while you do that. Right, let's do it together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 ducks. And the number 15 looks like that. 15 ducks. For the last one, reception, I want you to count how many ladybirds there are. Ready? And off you go. Count how many ladybirds there are and write down your answer. This is a harder one, isn't it? So you can pause me while you count them. Right, let's count them together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 ladybirds. And the number 16 looks like that. Well done if you got that. 16 ladybirds. Right, reception class, for the next part of our lesson, we're going to carry on with our work on halving, and I'm going to show you a different way of working out the answer. So, what I have done is drawn a line down the middle of my board to split my board in two. And my first question that I'm going to find the answer to is half of 10. To find half of 10, I'm going to share 10 between the two sides of my board. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've split 10 in half. How many have I got on each side, reception class? Let's count. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. So I have worked out that half of 10 is 5. Right, let's have a go at another one. Right, next I'm going to work out what is half of 8. And again, I've got that line down the middle, splitting my board in half. So I'm going to find half of 8 by splitting 8 between the two sides of my board. And to do this, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side and 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So I have worked out that half of 8 is 4. Right, we're going to do one more together, then it's your turn. Right, this time we're going to work out what is half of 12. So I'm going to split 12 in half by splitting it between the two sides of my board. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. So I have worked out that half of 12 is 6. Right, reception. So now your challenge at home is to find half of each of these numbers on your sheet using the same method I just did. So to find half of 6, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you work out how many there are on each side to find out what half of that number is. So you are having a go at that at home. And if you do have a go at that reception, please take a photo of your work and send it me on Seesaw. But that is our maths lesson for today. And our last maths lesson are for home learning. So I will see you all back in school on Monday reception. I can't wait to see you all. Bye.